Good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Livin' La Vida Tagalog. Today, I decided I would like to do an Ube Pancake challenge. Ube's becoming more of like, I guess, a bigger thing here in the States. But I was at the grocery store the other day and I happened to catch a box of Ube Pancake mix, White King. And so I'm gonna do this versus Mommy's homemade Ube pancakes and have the kids do a taste test. So join us. So my Ube pancake recipe: flour, baking soda, baking powder, some vanilla extract, Ube Halaya, sugar, milk, eggs, and a little bit of butter in there. And then we got the box. And so for this, I only need to mix in some melted butter, oil, or margarine, water or milk, and 1 egg. So, okay, so I always start by mixing together my dry ingredients. Make a little well. And then in the well is where you're gonna add your melted butter, your egg, and your milk. Ube extract, I feel like, is sort of the magic and also has the ube flavoring in it. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Take it over and mix it up. Back away, puppy. All right, so now we're gonna wait for the pan to get warm enough to cook the pancakes on. One of the tricks that I learned as a kid in cooking pancakes with my dad was you wait for the pancakes to have the bubbles, the little air bubbles to show up, and then you do the flip. All right, so my pan is probably a little too hot now, but I usually use a ladle to scoop my pancake. Batch 1 is done, Mommy's batch, and we'll get started on batch 2. Melted butter, milk, eggy. Head on over to the mixer. All right, so this batter is looking a little bit different than the other one. All right, so this batter is definitely darker and much thinner than my batter. It smells more like a cornmeal. Definitely looks different than mine. Boys will definitely be able to tell the difference in the box mix versus Mommy's mix. Okay, so let's talk about the obvious difference here. The stack on the left is the one that is my own recipe. Stack over here on the right is the box recipe. Definitely smaller. They're thinner pancakes. The color is slightly different, but we still don't know the taste yet. So I'm gonna plate these puppies for the boys and myself, and we're gonna go and put them through the taste test. Yeah, let's try the box one first, Rora. That one right there.
Yeah.
It's got a good purple color inside. Has a little bit of like a cornmeal, like a cornbread sort of taste, but
good.
Oh, there's the Ube. Now I got it. There's Mommy's.
Oh man, that's bad.
You don't like the box one? No? Try Mommy's. Which one's the winner?
I didn't even try this
Oh,
one.
sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Who's the winner? This one? All right. Try Mommy's recipe. Okay, so the clear winner today for our Ube pancake competition is Mommy's recipe. Please go ahead and give it a try. I will link it in the description down below. All the ingredients that I use, as well as sort of instructions on how to do it. I'm kind of a cook by feeling kind of person, so I'll do my best to be as detailed as possible in it. But that's it for today's episode of Livin' La Vida Tagalog. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me make these 2 different versions of Ube pancakes and then watching the 3 of us eat it together. All right, thank you so much for watching today's episode, and ingat till next time.
Okay, can I taste?
Hopefully we'll go a lot faster than batch 1 did. Oh no! Pancake avalanche!
Pancake.
Pancake.